In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase one half double crochet. This is exactly the same as a single crochet. The only difference is you'll be crocheting a half double crochet stitch instead of a single one. So if we remember how to do the half double crochet, you start with yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over again, bring up a loop, yarn over, and bring that through all 3 loops on your hook, just like that. Now to increase that stitch, you yarn over and go back into the same stitch again, just like that. Yarn over again, bring up the loop, yarn over, and go through all 3 loops on your hook, like that. And there, we've increased one half double crochet in the same stitch.